Good Bad Ugly Tamil Movie Summary. In 2007, in Mumbai, AK alias the Red Dragon, a notorious crime boss, voluntarily surrendered to the authorities so that he could reunite and lead a peaceful life with his wife Ramya, a pacifist, and his son, Vihan. 18 years after his release from prison, AK plans to return to Spain to reconcile with his son and family. He plans to visit Vihan, who lives with Ramya, the chief advisor of the Indian Embassy of Spain, Jayaprakash, her guardian, and Yeager, her older brother. During their visit, AK faces a group of assassins hired by his enemies, and Ramya warns him to stay away from them. AK summons his associates, including Mastan Bhai, and warns them to stay away from his family. Tensions rise, and AK warns anyone who threatens his loved ones to face severe consequences. One day, Yeager informs AK that the police arrested Vihan. Yeager says someone else is involved in Vihan's arrest, not the Mumbai gang. AK is confronted with a grim reality as he sees Vihan in handcuffs, facing trial for drug use, and placed in juvenile detention. Ramya blames AK for bringing these dangers into their lives, and she claims it is a form of revenge orchestrated by AK's whole enemies. AK visits Vihan, who reveals that a gang shot his girlfriend, Nitya, and drugged him. AK vows to save Vihan from prison and find the real culprits. AK, along with his assistant, Tyson, and brother-in-law Yeager, uncovers that the Dark Wolves gang, led by Babel, is framing Vihan. They are involved in illegal activities and run a casino and a secure bank vault, which Johnny and Skaba manage. AK confronts Skaba and threatens Johnny to leave Vihan or blow up the entire building. While on a video call, Johnny negotiates with AK to save his casino. However, AK asks him to reveal his younger twin, Jammi, who frames Vihan in retaliation for Ramya's past imprisonment for heinous crimes against women. She recorded his confession and handed him over to the police. Jammi's twin identities are kept secret, but when Jammi targets Ramya and threatens AK, tension escalates. AK blows up the entire bank and takes Skaba hostage, destroying the casino and vault. AK holds Skaba at gunpoint to use his influence to invite all the gangsters to a party. However, this turns out to be a trap to lure Johnny and Jammi, as the gangsters get killed, including Skaba. As AK continues his investigation, the twins learn more about AK's past from Bhai. They discover that he had fought alongside the Korean gangsters like Dong Lee, had been in New York with John Wick, and had co-planned the infamous money heist while in prison with the professor. Meanwhile, the twins make matters worse by implicating Vihan in Nitya's death, complicating the case further. AK learns another startling discovery: Nitya faked her death, but is Jammi's girlfriend, who had been part of his plan by pretending to love Vihan and faking the shooting incident. AK catches Jammi and Nitya and holds them hostage. Johnny toys with AK by setting up gangsters to kill Ramya and Vihan. Priya, AK's ex-girlfriend turned, saves Ramya, while Tyson, Yeager, and one of the convicts from the Mumbai prison save Vihan. Johnny, Jammi, and Nitya escape, but the twins decide to kill Nitya as her death would strengthen the case against Vihan. Hence, despite her pleas, they kill Nitya, as her death would strengthen Vihan's case and injure Ramya during a chase. AK visits Ramya at the hospital, who feels remorseful for misjudging AK and her being the cause of Vihan's incarceration all along, and asks AK to finish the twins. AK confronts Johnny and Jammi and overpowers them in a fight. Johnny and Jammi are sentenced to prison for their crimes, while the court acquits Vihan, and he reunites with his father for the first time, and the family share a happy reunion. Unbeknownst to AK's family, while being transported to prison, Johnny and Jammi escape en route, but AK arrives with a gun in his hand and kills them.